Oven. The oven does not work without setting the time. For this reason, check that the time is set and correct. The time button will blink when the oven is first plugged in. Press the plus and minus buttons on the control panel to set the time of day. Time will be saved automatically in a few seconds. If you are using the oven for the first time, run it for empty for 1 hour by selecting the highest possible heat level and the function that all resistances can operate. Since the pieces in the oven will heat up for the first time, some bad odour and smoke will form, which is normal. When the heating is over, set the knobs to 0 and let the oven cool down. Clean and dry the inside of the oven with suitable detergent, cloth and hot water. There are various functions for preparing meals. In general, only lower heat is on. The foods that need to be cooked from the bottom are used to heat the food and sterilize the jars. Only upper heat is on, used to heat meals that need to be pre-cooked and to defrost frozen pastries. Fan and surrounding turbo heater is on. When this program is selected, the turbo heater heats up, while the center fan ensures that the inside heat is distributed into the oven. This feature also allows you to cook multiple foods without smells and flavors being mixed. Turbo and lower resistance is on. It allows you to cook the foods which you want to cook the bottom side more without mixing the smell and taste. Defrost function. It allows you to defrost foods without changing the nutritional value of your food. Fan-supported grill. It shows that the grill and the turbofan run at the same time. It provides cooking of white and red meat, sausage, etc. Fan-supported center grill. It shows that the grill and the turbofan run at the same time. White and red meat, sausage, etc. are cooked in small portions. Turbo heater, fan and grill. In this cooking program, the grill heater, the turbo heater and the fan run together. During the grill, the turbo heater works together with the fan to ensure that the foods with large portions are cooked more effectively both internally and from the top. Indicates that the grill heater is active. In particular, it allows for a large portion of grilled meat. Dual grid position. Grill and upper heater work together in this position. Grill and lower heater. This function is used to grill more surface area faster. Place the food on the grill and put the grill on the lowest level. Medium grill. It is used for small portions, classic grills and fries. Clean, automatic cleaning function. It is a feature which cleans accumulated oil in the oven interior catalytic side and rear panels by drying the panels at 200 degrees Celsius during 1 hour. Boost, automatic rapid heating function. It is the ability to bring the inside temperature of the oven to the desired level in a very short time. Indicates that bottom, upper heater and fan are activated simultaneously. It provides an equal amount of baking and frying of the bottom and top of the food. Indicates that upper heater and fan are activated simultaneously. In this position, warm air from the upper heater circulates around the food with the help of a turbo fan. Indicates that the lower heater and the fan are activated simultaneously. In this position, the hot air from the bottom heater circulates around the food with the help of a turbo fan. Keep warm position. The lower and upper heater are operated at default 80 degrees C to maintain the warmth of the food. Intermittent turbo heater, Gratin. The grill heater, 12 seconds on, 6 seconds off, and fan, 30 seconds on, 30 seconds off, intermittently switch on. Thanks to this feature, your food will be cooked thoroughly while the outside fries without burning. Indicates that the oven light is activated with button or knob. All ovens have an oven lamp, but in these models where the symbol is found, the oven lamp can be activated with a separate button or knob. Choice from the cooking programs offered automatically in the oven can be made. After this function is selected, the automatic cooking will be set by selecting the amount of food to be cooked and the cooking style by following the instructions on the screen. With this function, you can select a standard cooking or a cooking program that the user has already set and saved. Set the function knob to the appropriate position. Set the temperature adjustment knob to the appropriate temperature. The oven will start to work. At the end of cooking, turn the temperature setting knob and the function selection knob to 0 to turn off the oven. If you want the oven to turn off automatically at the end of cooking, press the middle button twice. The display will be in the cooking time setting position. Use the plus and minus buttons to enter the cooking time. Within a few seconds, the program will be stored. The oven will start counting from the beginning and automatically turn off when the time you set is over. You can change the cooking time from the same screen, or you can cancel the program by setting it to 000. Press the timer button once to see how much time is left. If you want to start cooking at a later time and you want to set the oven to turn off after the cooking period, press the middle button twice. The display will switch to the cooking end setting position. Set the desired function and temperature. Use the plus and minus buttons to set the time you want to finish cooking. Then press the middle button 3 times and enter the cooking time. Now the oven will start to work automatically at the desired time and will automatically turn off at the cooking time you specify. Before starting to cook, remove the trays and preheat the oven until it reaches a certain temperature. This time is about 15 to 20 minutes. With preheating, you can get better results by placing your food in a hot oven. You can use this feature for foods which necessitates less than 30 minutes of cooking time, such as thin pastry foods and cakes. For optimal results, choose the cooking function that best suits the food content and place the appropriate shelves. Frequent opening of the door while cooking is in progress often causes the cold air to enter the oven, thus causing energy loss. For this reason, open the door as little as possible during cooking. For most meals, you can use the function of a resistance turbo fan. This function spreads the heat evenly over your food. With this function, you can cook several tray meals at the same time. You can reduce the temperature of the oven to the lowest possible level 5 minutes before cooking finishes. In this way, you will have completed the cooking of your food and saved energy with the temperature inside the oven. You can use the reminder alarm function in the oven clock for other jobs as well. For instance, you can enter the cooking time of your egg on the hob and use it as a reminder. To do this, press the timer button once and then enter the time you want the alarm to go off. Check that the product is turned off before cleaning. It'll be very difficult to remove if the dirt is left untreated for a long time. For this reason, we recommend cleaning the oven after each use. Do not use acidic products, abrasive powder or cream cleaners, abrasive hard brushes or sponges, or metal scrapers to avoid damaging the product. You should use a soft cloth for all surfaces. Do not use old cloths with detergent on them. Open the oven door. Remove the trays. Spray the oven cleaning foam all over the surface. Close the oven door and wait for about 10 minutes, or warm the oven and wait for 2 minutes. Remove the wire shelves from their place and wipe the oven with a damp cloth. If stain remains on the wire shelves, you can apply the oven cleaning foam again. Remove the inner glass by removing the screws on the side of the door to clear the gap between the glass. Clean the surface with glass cleaning cream and replace the glass. Remove the gasket around the oven boiler. Rinse with detergent and water and replace.